How y'all doing, fam? How y'all doing, fam? Applebee's. Here we go now. How y'all doing today? We got Applebee's. Look, we got ribs. Then we got a hamburger. We're gonna make this for another video. But we got ribs and a hamburger. Half of a hamburger. Here you go now. Here you go now. Look at them baby back ribs now. And French fries now. Look at that now. Look at that now. Mm. Ah. Mm. The ribs are hella good. Applebee's. Applebee's is good. The ribs and some fries. The fries are real good. Seasoned too. Good. Nice and crispy. From Applebee's, y'all. It's hella good. Y'all need to go to Applebee's and buy some of that. That's hella good right there, yo. I know that's right. Alright, another hit. We're going in. Peace. Peace.